Hi there, students. Do we live in a democracy or a kleptocracy? So we have this word kleptocracy, and a kleptocracy is governed by kleptocrats. Maybe we live in a kleptarchy as well. Let's see. A kleptocracy is a corrupt and dishonest society or government. A government characterized by rampant greed and corruption. So, kleptocracy, somebody where all the people ruling, maybe a kleptarchy, their objective is to get as much money or steal as much money as they can. So, a kleptocracy, a state where those in power exploit national resources for their own benefit. The corrupt leaders of a kleptocracy are called kleptocrats. Yeah, and this word talks about systematic corruption, state-sanctioned corruption, a political society in which greed is good, taking money from the state is good. The kleptocrat typically embezzles money from the state to enrich themselves, and then they probably send this money to a bank account abroad in anticipation of their fall from power. I think this word a kleptocracy is a reasonably new word, it's probably 10, maybe 15 years old. And it talks about this feeling in many political circles, this zeitgeist that the more you can steal, the more corrupt you are, the better you are, the more important person you are. Mind you, not all politicians are corrupt like this, but many are. I think we have always lived in a kleptocracy, but nowadays we are much more aware of it. I think there are campaigns to stop corruption, and the press informs us much more about the corruption that is going on. And this is why we're actually have become aware that we're living in a kleptocracy. Yeah, so we need to change this feeling that greed is good. Just going for a second to this word, a kleptarchy. A kleptarchy, archeo, to rule. So just the ruling class are thieves, are stealing from us. Now, what about formality? This was a difficult one. I think I'd give it a 5 in formality. And I think you could use it informally, and I think you could get away with using it in a very formal document as well. It's a sort of jokey word, but there's a degree of seriousness to it as well. As to the origin, well, you have a kleptomaniac, a person who compulsively steals things, and you mix that with the word democracy and you get a kleptocracy. You have a Greek word kleptes or kleptes, a thief. Okay, so if you use the word kleptocracy, you're talking about institutionalized corruption, and this is clearly something that needs to be stopped. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Kleptocrats, kleptocracy, kleptarchy.